Natural gas last week delivered a bearish candle hitting the lows at 2.82 here, erasing the gains for the last couple of weeks. And see, in my update last week, I have mentioned one thing, that this could be a double top formation, and the candle here after a series of bullish candle can be one of the reversal signs here. Can we say that now net gas has reversed and we will look forward to a further downside or crash in the net gas prices, as it appears to have formed a double top? Can we say that it can move towards $2 levels, or this is just a bit of consolidation here and it is still respecting the channel, delivering lower highs, lower lows? We can say a breakout is going to be there. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators and do a multi-time frame analysis before delivering and giving you the trading levels towards the end of this update. Do watch till the end, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Let me share that this is a weekly review and I do share 2 updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames before giving you the levels every day. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the daily charts. See what has happened on the daily charts. Prices were trading with divergence here from the 20 period moving average. What has happened? It has come down to take the support from the 20 period moving average here. Now 20 period moving average is indeed a very good support. 2.8 2.78 is going to be the first support zone here, and then 2.7 to 2.7. These two levels are going to remain critical for the coming week. Any drop below this zone is certainly sign of bearishness. However, I can see a very strong support coming in at around these levels. And also what has happened, see the crossover here on the buy side for net gas, it has stayed bullish. Thus the retracement is what we have to expect, and that is what has happened. But now the thing is how far it can retrace. Is it done or it can bounce back? That is something you should keep an eye on. Now look at the daily charts after consolidating. If you see it breaking beyond 2.95 and $3 levels in the coming week, if you see it breaking beyond 2.9596 and $3 levels in the coming week, stay bullish. We can again see it hitting 3.1, and then the next targets are going to be towards 3.2, 3.24 zone. Now also notice on the daily charts what we had seen on the weekly charts here, almost a double top here. What has happened here? See this, it has taken the support, bounce back, and then resume the downtrend. This could replicate here again as well. So the current levels are definitely something you should be cautious of. Any drop below 2.772 certainly should bring more bearishness towards 2.5 in the coming few weeks. But if you look at the daily stochastic, this has come to oversold zone. However, look at the what has happened on MACD. See what getting replicated on the candles is getting replicated on the MACD as well. Double top here, crossing over here at the top, looking downwards, trading bearish, increasing bearishness, trading with divergence, suggests there is more to come in the coming weeks. This is something you should keep an eye off. And the RSI has dropped as well. This is just on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, we can see a crossover here, which is a bearish cross, and this is coming after almost a month here, of 4 to 5 weeks. Now, if you notice this, look at the formation here in net gas. This is the top, this is the bottom here. It has breached this channel. But what has happened after dropping? It has formed a very good base here at 2.82. Almost a double bottom is formed and tried to bounce back. However, it is not yet. And see, second time also it has erased the gains and it has come down to the same zone. However, it is yet to break below 2.8, 2.78 zone, which is going to remain a prime support zone for the coming week. Any drop below which should be taken up seriously, and then we can look forward to a greater move towards 2.7 and 2.6 levels as well. Just keep an eye on this. Stochastic has dropped towards the bottom, while look at the MACD on the 4 hour charts. After dropping, it has crossed over again, trying to cross over for sell. But I will say it is coming at a lower level, so a little retracement and a rise cannot be denied. RSI has dropped here. Coming to the week, now look at the weekly charts here. Drop, retracement, and yes, the same zone, the same levels, greater resistances, trying to reverse. First reversal candle, and then first bearish candle. The second candle is something you should watch out for. And thus, it, as I say, 2.8, 2.78 in the coming week is going to be critical, because this can lead to a movement towards 2.65, 2.6, and then in fact it can keep moving towards 2.5 levels here in the next 2 to 3 weeks before bouncing back up again. And on the upside, we all know now that 3.05 zone is something you should watch out for, which will confirm the bull run again here on the upside. Stochastic here is also extremely overbought. This also calls for it to cool down a bit. While the MACD, if you look at the MACD, is still rising, and it appears there is lot much of room on the upside for natural gas. So for 2 to 3 weeks, if nat gas consolidates, do not treat this as bearish. It can deliver or reverse the trend in a single day. Remember, if it erases the gains for next 2 weeks, and towards the end of this month, one single candle appears, delivers a 10% rise and two successive bullish candles, and then the net gas prices again recovers completely and trades bullish. So this is something you should keep an eye on. RSI near to top. Coming to look at the monthly charts, the crossover here is significant. It is a bearish crossover happening after multiple weeks and months. And if you look at the formation here, I will say that it is trading in this channel. And now on the upside, 3.2, 3.24 zone is going to remain critical. We have seen now gas reversing from this zone several times, and the current month is going to be the month which is going to be the decisive one, because if it breaks out here on the upside, we are looking forward to a tremendous bullish move here. This is a breakout move which is going to remain extremely bullish. Now look at the formation. After forming the base here, we have seen a rise, higher lows than lower highs right now, or you can say same highs here. So a double top is formed, but I will look forward for it to break out, because this is a squeeze, and certainly at some point of time in the near future it has to give a breakout here, moving towards 3.5 and in fact $4 levels here. Yes, there is still scope for further rise. I'll not treat this as bearish. Possibility is there that it can keep moving towards 2.5 for the next couple of weeks, but then I will say that that should be an opportunity for us to again buy natural gas and stay invested for the near term, where the prices may skyrocket. Keep a note of this. For the coming week, it appears the prospects for a stronger bull run appears to be less. The stochastic rising here, while the MACD, now see, this is important on the MACD. After staying bearish for months and weeks and years, now it has crossed over. Now after the crossover, in general, a crossover every time on the monthly basis for natural gas delivers a series of bullish moves here. And that is why I also say, even if natural gas trades bearish for the next 2 weeks, where it can hit the lows at 2.5, remember the pullback or the reversal is going to be sharp enough where in just couple of days it can erase all the losses for 2 weeks, and it can again move towards 3. It close at $3 levels, and the next month again going to stay bullish. This is something you should keep a note of. This behavior is something which we can expect here. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trade, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a safer environment, which offers you a SEP-free account with lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals across the globe, anytime, join the recommended broker and enjoy trading. If you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads on offer here. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will only recommend you to buy here at 2.88 and then 2.9 levels. This complete zone is going to remain very stronger resistance, and then we can expect a move towards 2.955, 3.02, 3.05. Now once it breaks past 3.05, and let me include 3.1 as well, you can just stay invested. We are looking forward to 3.24, 3.3, and then 3.35 levels very very soon. Though looking at the move, it appears such a stronger breakout on the upside appears difficult, and even if it has to happen, it may take couple or more weeks. While on the I will recommend you to sell here at 2.82, expect 2.8, 2.78. This is going to be the prime support here. If it trades below this, expect it to keep moving towards 2.72, 2.695. And if this is taken, expect 2.65 and then 2.6 levels as the next. Below 2.6, we are anticipating 2.5. I do not see for the month of October net gas to trade below 2.5. However, again, I am highlighting the fact for next week, or in fact next to next week, it might try to trade with modest positions. However, as long as 2.45 is respected, I can say it can erase all the losses in just one single candle, and thus I'll say uh, at least till 2.5 we have to not treat natural gas as bearish for the near term. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for the live updates and join the channel membership channel on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.